So this car is in because he thinks he's got a bad driver's side axle. And it's leaking a little bit of grease. Starting to leak, if you see that string of fluid right there. If you come over here, you'll see the sway bar link isn't even bolted up. So more than likely this is gonna be the noise he's referring to and not the little bit of grease that's leaking from this axle. Pretty sure this is the culprit right here. The ball joints have been replaced, those are brand new. It's the same person who did the sway bar end links, they just decided not to put the bolt on. Tie rods look good. Everything in the rear looks good. Yep, let's get that axle replaced. Playing any games with this axle because we got another car coming in. So let me show you how to do this the quick way. Sheesh, bro. Yeah, somebody must have messed that shit up. There it is right there. Let me pop her a little bit more. Pop her! All right. Oh yeah. This don't look right. Oh gosh.